Hi, I'm Lee Swinian. I'm a third-year student from University Technical Malaysia Malacca. Today I'm going to present my FYP presentation, and my title is Design of Walking Stick for Blind People by Using Ultrasonic Sensor. Chapter 1 Introduction. Eyes organ of vision are important part of human physiology as they have ability to receive the information and process the detail to the brain. It plays an important role in the life of humans because 83% information is obtained through our eyes. However, there are still a lot of people face the blindness problem nowadays. In 2002, the Department of Welfare has estimated about 64,000 registered blind people in Malaysia, and estimate of the number are believed to increase as much as 2 times higher by 2020. It shows the problem of illiteracy among the population in Malaysia is apparently high and serious. According to the report from World Health Organization, at least 2.2 billion people have a vision impairment or blindness. At least 1 billion people having vision impairment that can be prevented. Based on a study, among 330 rural Malay population of Kuala Selangor have reported visual impairment and blindness to be 0.7% and 5.6% respectively. Other than that, a national eye survey was conducted in 1996 found that the age-adjusted prevalence of blindness and low vision was 0.29% and 2.44% respectively. Females had a higher age-adjusted prevalence of lower vision compared to males. From all the information above, we can see that everyone will be affected by the blindness no matter what gender, age, or race we are. In this project, the objective is to design a prototype of walking stick system for blind people. Second, to analyze the performance of the design system based on different distance or location of obstacle. Scope. First is the project based on ultrasonic sensor, lightweight, low cost, and user-friendly. Second, aim for the detection of objects that are below or in front of the user in a certain distance. Third, ultrasonic sensor can detect the obstacle at a minimum distance of 2 cm to 80 cm. Fourth, system will give a warning by a buzzer sound at a 2 cm to 80 cm. Majority of blind people are using a traditional blind stick to aid in navigation. The information they get by touching object with the tip of traditional blind stick is less. Other methods of using guide dog are expensive, and they can be only used for 5 to 6 years. However, guide dog cannot communicate with people and read the signal that are complex, such as traffic light. Chapter 2 Literature Review. Stick. The blind people are using the long stick or called as propping cane for their mobility or traveling. Its design is lightweight and long for the blind people. Another type of stick is support cane. It is designed to support the user weight, and the length of support are short enough to rest the user hand on top. Guide dogs are trained to lead the blind people or people with impaired vision. Guide dogs are trained to navigate various obstacles. However, guide dogs have red-green color blind that are difficult to interpreting strict signals such as traffic light. The method is expensive and less effective for blind people. C5 laser cane is based on optical triangulation with 3 laser diodes and 3 photodiodes as receiver. This laser can emit the pulse of infrared light which is reflected from an object in front of it. This laser can detect the obstacle of a distance from 1.5 meters to 3 meters and allowed to adjust by the user. Forward sonar sensor is commercially available handheld ultrasonic-based device that informs the user of the distance to detect object by vibration. The frequency of the vibration will increase when the distance between the object and sensor is closer. The device will detect the closer object within the bin, but ignore everything near it. The next is MailDog. Their navigation method is using an organized map and landmark. It provides accurate position of an obstacle by using ultrasonic sensor and laser sensor. Sonic Pathfinder is based on ultrasonic sonar equipment and designed for the individual who have blind or low vision. The device has 5 ultrasonic transducers with 2 transmitters and 3 receivers on the user head. The transmitter detects the obstacle by ultrasonic energy, and the echoes from the obstacle are received by the receiver. All the information will be processed by the computer. Half belt consists 3 parts, which are a portable computer, stereophonic headphones, and ultrasonic sensor. The computer provides the navigation and the obstacle avoidance system that will develop for mobile robots. Then, the ultrasonic sensor will send the signal to the computer. The computer processes the signal and sends the information to user via stereophonic headphone. The user can use the information that given by the computer as the recommend travel direction. Next, I am going to present the idea of creation of ETA device. Smart Path Guided Mobile is using ATmega 328 controller, power supply, ultrasonic sensor, switch, and buzzer as the component. Two ultrasonic sensors are used to cover the range area of infront. The sensor can cover 0 to 40 degrees, and the best limit distance is 150 cm to detect the object. The buzzer will give a warning when the battery level drops to 3 volts before cutting the main program. The beside picture is show the different views from prototype of Smart Path Guardian Mobile. Smart Glove is using ultrasonic sensor as input, vibration motor as output, power supply, microcontroller which called LilyPad Arduino board that programming by C++ language. The obstacle detected by ultrasonic sensor and send the data to the LilyPad Arduino. Then it comments the vibration to give the alarm to user. The strength of vibration is depend on the distance of the object detected. The vibration motor can detect the obstacle at 0 to 100 cm. The users are required to stretch their hand and hands and engage to different activities. MobiFree consists 3 products which are MobiFree Cans, MobiFree Sunglass, and MobiFree Echo. MobiFree Can detect obstacle on the ground within 1 meter. User can detect the obstacle from their eye level by using MobiFree Sunglass. MobiFree Echo get the information from surrounding area and speaker on the hands of user will comment the information. Chapter 3 Methodology and Approach. Project Overview. This project mainly consists of 2 parts, hardware design and software design. Hardware design consists of 2 main parts, which is Arduino Uno, HC-SR04 ultrasonic sensor. Software design is controlled by the programming C++ from Arduino IDE. The picture beside is the flowchart of project overview. Next part is hardware construction. First, HC-SR04 ultrasonic sensor. It helps to detect the object within a certain distance. Second, Arduino Uno. It consists of 14 digital input or output pins and 6 analog inputs to support the microcontroller. Third, vibration motor. The motor will start to vibrate when obstacle detected. Last, the buzzer. It helps to alert the user by sound frequency. Volume of sound depends on the distance from the object detected. Then, the software that using in this project is Arduino Integrated Development. It used to write the coding and upload to Arduino compatible board. It using C and C++ as the programming language. Second is Proteus software. It helps to create the schematic and electronic prints for the manufacturing printer circuit boards. It is also the software that using as the simulation part for the circuit. After that, I'm going to present about ultrasonic sensor performance. HC-SR04 type of ultrasonic sensor is used for the obstacle detection system. The ultrasonic transmitter transmits an ultrasonic wave. This wave travels in air until detect the object. The wave reflects towards ultrasonic receiver after detecting the object. This sensor can detect object at a distance between 2 cm to 80 cm, and the best angle for detecting obstacle is 30 degrees. Its sensitivity of accuracy is 3 mm. Obstacle detection flowchart shows the operation of obstacle detection in a distance between 2 to 80 cm. The ultrasonic sensor will keep detecting the object if there are not any object at a distance between 2 to 80 cm. Once the objects are detected, the ultrasonic sensor will send the feedback to motor for vibration and buzzer for produce sound. Also, the distance of obstacle will shown on LCD when obstacle detected. With the help of software Arduino IDE and Proteus 8.9, I make a simulation for detector of ultrasonic sensor and LCD to show the measure of distance. Also, I adjust the variable resistor by replace as the distance measurement to show the distance on LCD screen. And I replace the DC fan instead of vibration motor to make sure when the distance below 80 cm, the motor will rotate. In first picture, we set the variable resistor to the value until 88 cm show on LCD screen. The LCD screen show the word safe, but the buzzer and motor is not activated. As you can see in first picture, the buzzer and motor is showing the blue light icon. In second picture, when variable resistor set until 65 cm which is below 80 cm, LCD screen show the word danger. The motor and buzzer activated. As you can see, the buzzer and motor show the red light icon. Finally, that is all for my FYP presentation. Thank you for your patience.